Hey guys, so I just got the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% just in from my Amazon delivery for today, and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. So it comes in a little box like this, and it comes with some instructions or whatever, and this is how the product comes in. I've heard wonders about this product. So it's hyaluronic acid, and it's supposed to mostly hydrate your face. So I'm gonna try it out with you guys. I'm just gonna do a couple of drops. It's kind of like a gooey texture. So I'm gonna see how this feels on my skin. It is super, super refreshing, and I can feel it like moisturizing my face, which is really, really nice. I've heard great things about this, so I'm super, super excited to try it out. And overall, 10 out of 10, the consistency, and for this price, you can't get like a better hyaluronic acid. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to hydrate your face with an amazing ingredient list, definitely check this product out.